Good morning, divine blessings. Today, I would like to share a few thoughts about brain. Every one of us have it, and some of us use it, and some of us just allow the brain to take rest. So, brain is said to be the control center for our living, leading the life, doing the life, enjoying the life, suffering the life. Brain is the beginning as far as science is concerned. Brain generates thoughts, ideas, even fantasizes what you want to achieve in your life. Most of us do not keep the brain active, and it remains inactive because of our habits and beliefs. To keep the brain active, we must do at least the four of the following, which I will state below. Active brain means neurons sparking between themselves based on the new challenges that we receive in life. Habits are not new challenges, therefore a brain need not act. Only the prints inside the brain will act. And beliefs are something they don't even check, and you believe, and it goes on like that. Therefore, we must do at least four of the following to keep the brain active. 1. Challenge your beliefs. Challenge the routine. Challenge what you are doing every day. See why that cannot be changed to save time, to make it better. And that is where you will start thinking differently. When you start thinking differently, your brain is acting. Your brain is active. Your brain is working. Think differently. Mati Yosi. Number 2. Change your routine of timings, working method, and communication. Maybe we are accustomed to routine work. There's no other way. But at least twice in a week or 3 times in a week, change the timings of getting up, going to sleep, going to work, taking rest. Try. And change the method of working. You are working left to right, do right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top, diagonal. See any issue in 360 degrees. There are 4 directions. Make it 8 directions and see at every angle of 45 degrees what you can see. And this is where you will be doing a lot of imagination, fantasizing, looking things differently. You are looking the sun from the earth. Look at the earth from the sun. That's a different view altogether. When you see the earth from the sun, sun being the largest in the solar system, earth will appear like a small mustard. So that gives an idea how to look at your problems. Is it a serious problem or is it a tiny problem? And look at the way you communicate. Now some people start communicating with a flashback. They show an incident and they say, that is today, but let's go back 5 years and see what it was. How the happenings of 5 years brought us to today's situation. We have ways of telling stories. A story that's linear, sequence after the sequence. There are stories that go back and forth, a lot of flashbacks in between. There are stories that are diagonal. That means 3 independent stories come to a point together and create a new set of story. Use the brain, man. Don't think it is just a piece of flesh sitting on top of our head. Number 3, keep exercising the brain. Exercise? How? What it is? What I mean by exercise is solve your puzzles. Solve difficult mathematics. Solve abstract questions. Right? They call sometimes creative puzzles. At least do that twice in a week for 15 minutes. Enough. You have in the newspaper Sudoku, crosswords. They are good ones to exercise your brain. Number 4, keep adding new skills. You already have a lot of good skills, but you must keep adding new skills. Means new learnings, new applications. Like for example, music, right? Or new sports. Or learn a new language, Chinese, Japanese, German, French. Or get into the social activities. Meet new friends, meet new groups. Talk to them. And you are doing this just for learning and not for becoming number 1 in that. Understand? I said 4 things. You can do a lot more. Think of them. Now talk about philosophy. We talk about spirituality. We talk about quantum mechanics. Right? They're all thought-provoking things. We can even discuss them together, thus keeping the brain active. Please understand, idle brain is wasteful brain. Active brain is useful brain. Thank you. Bye-bye. Questions are welcome. You can always call me. I am free. I am available. Thank you. Good luck.